India vs Bangladesh. First test, September 19. Venue, Chennai. Time, 9:30 a.m. India vs Bangladesh. Second test, 27th September. Venue, Chennai. 9:30 a.m. India vs Bangladesh T20 series. First T20, 6th October. Venue, Dharamsala. Time, 8 p.m. Second T20, date 9th October. Venue, Delhi. Time, 8 p.m. Third T20, 12th October. Venue, Hyderabad. Time, 8 p.m. India vs New Zealand Test Series. First test, 16th October. Venue, Bengaluru. Time, 9:30 a.m. Second test, 24th October. Venue, Pune. Time, 9:30 a.m. Third test, 1st November. Venue, Mumbai. Time, 9:30 a.m. India vs South Africa T20 series. First T20, date 8th November. Venue, Durban. Time, 4:30 p.m. Second T20, date 10th November. Venue, Gabreha. Time, 4:30 p.m. Third T20, date November 13th. Venue, Centurion. Time, 4:30 p.m. Fourth T20, date 16th November. Venue, Johannesburg. Time, 4:30 p.m. India vs Australia Test Series. First test, date 22nd November. Venue, Perth. Time, 5 a.m. Second test, date 6th December. Venue, Adelaide. Time, 5 a.m. Third test, date 14th December. Venue, Brisbane. Time, 5 a.m. Fourth test, date 26th December. Venue, Melbourne. Time, 5 a.m. Fifth test, 3rd January. Venue, Sydney. Time, 5 a.m. India vs England T20 series. First T20, 22nd January. Venue, Chennai. Time, 8 p.m. Second T20, date 25th January. Venue, Kolkata. Time, 8 p.m. Third T20, date 28th January. Venue, Rajkot. Time, 8 p.m. Fourth T20, date 31st January. Venue, Pune. Time, 8 p.m. Fifth T20, date 2nd February. Venue, Mumbai. Time, 8 p.m. India vs England ODI series. First ODI, date 6th February. Venue, Nagpur. Time, 1:30 p.m. Second ODI, date 9th February. Venue, Cuttack. Time, 1:30 p.m. Third ODI, date 12th February. Venue, Ahmedabad. Time, 1:30 p.m.